proactive English practice. Listen to the questions and answers and improve your English. Where can I find the milk?
The milk is in the back of the store in the dairy section.
Do you have any deals on produce today?
We have buy one, get one free on avocados and bell peppers this week.
What time do you close today?
We close at 9 p.m. tonight.
Do you sell fresh bakery bread?
Yes, our bakery has fresh loaves of bread baked daily. It's located next to the produce section.
Where is the canned soup?
The canned soups and broths are in aisle 6.
Do you have any gluten-free options?
Yes, our gluten-free products are together in aisle 3.
Where can I find the organic produce?
The organic fruits and vegetables are along the back wall of the produce section.
Do you sell fresh turkeys?
Yes, our meat department carries fresh and frozen turkeys. Just ask a butcher for assistance.
Where are the onions?
The onions are on a big display stand near the entrance to the produce section.
Can I find vegan cheese here?
Yes, we have a variety of vegan cheese options in the dairy case.
Do you sell fresh seafood?
Our seafood department has a large selection of fresh fish, shrimp, lobster, and more.
Where is the peanut butter?
The peanut butter is in aisle 5 with the other nut butters.
Do you sell flowers?
Yes, we have a floral department up near the registers, with bouquets and arrangements.
Do you have any hot food or salad bar?
Yes, our deli has a hot buffet and salad bar available during store hours.
Can I special order a cake?
Absolutely, our bakery can take special order cake requests. Just speak with a bakery associate.
Where are your restrooms located?
The restrooms are in the back of the store, past the pharmacy.
Do you sell gift cards here?
Yes, we sell gift cards for the grocery store. Right at customer service.
Do you price match?
We do price match for identical items at local competitor stores. Just bring us the ad.
When do you get fresh produce deliveries?
We get deliveries of fresh produce every morning. so it's freshly stocked daily.
Do you have public Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free public Wi-Fi throughout the store.
Where are your shopping carts?
The shopping carts are kept in multiple cart corrals, located by the entrance doors.
When are your least busy hours?
We tend to be least busy early weekday mornings, between 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is your international food aisle?
Our international selections are together in aisle 10.
Do you sell newspapers?
We have a rack with a selection of local and national newspapers at the front by the registers.
Where is the salsa located?
Our fresh and Jared salsas are located in the condiment aisle.
Are you hiring at the moment?
We often have openings. You can check our website or ask customer service about applying.
Can I return an item without a receipt?
Unfortunately, we can only process returns with the original receipt within 30 days.
Do you price match with online prices?
Our price match policy is only valid for local competitor, brick and mortar, advertised prices.
Do you have a pharmacy in store?
Yes, we have a full pharmacy located in the back left corner of the store.
Do you sell Bitcoin?
No, we don't currently sell any cryptocurrency here. We only accept traditional payment methods.
Do you have a coin counting machine?
Yes, we have a Coinstar machine located up front, by the registers, for counting loose change.
Can I pay my utility bill here?
Sorry, we don't have bill pay services in store. We only accept payments for grocery purchases.
Where do you keep the spices?
All of our dried spices and seasonings are in aisle 2.
Do you sell any hot foods to go?
Our deli has a variety of hot foods like chicken tenders, wings, sides, and more that can be taken to go.
Do you sell tobacco products?
No, we don't sell tobacco products. Only grocery and household items.
Do you accept EBT payments?
Yes, we accept EBT and SNAP benefits at all registers.
Do you price match?
We offer price matching for identical items found cheaper at local competing grocery stores. Just bring us the ad.
Do you have a bathroom I can use?
Yes, we have customer restrooms located in the back of the store, past the pharmacy.
Do you sell money orders?
No, we don't offer money order services in store. Only standard grocery checkout.
Where do you keep your fresh herbs?
The fresh herbs are typically displayed in cups, right at the front of the produce section.
Do you sell lottery tickets?
Yes, we sell lottery tickets at the guest services desk, up at the front of the store.
Do you offer military discounts?
Unfortunately, we don't offer any specific military discounts at this time.
Do you price match with other stores?
We offer price matching on identical items found cheaper at local competing grocery stores.
Do you sell kegs of beer?
Yes, we have keg sales available through our customer service desk. Just place your order 24 hours in advance.
Do you price match advertised deals?
Yes, we price match identical items from local competitors' printed ads and flyers.
Where is your gluten-free section?
Our gluten-free items are all together in aisle 3. For easy shopping.
Do you accept manufacturer coupons?
Yes, we accept valid manufacturer coupons at all registers. Just let the cashier know you have one.
Where is your organic section?
Our certified organic foods span a few aisles, but you can find signs marking the organic items.
Do you validate parking?
Sorry, we don't offer any parking validation. We have complimentary parking for customers.
Where is your beer and wine section?
The beer, wine, and liquor is located in the back left corner of the store, near the dairy case.
Do you sell phone cards?
No phone cards, but we sell an assortment of popular gift card brands at customer service.
Do you have public restrooms?
Yes, we have restrooms located in the back of the store, past the pharmacy department.
Where can I buy stamps?
We sell booklets of stamps at the customer service desk, up at the front of the store.
Do you sell plants and flowers?
Yes, Our floral department is located up front near the registers with fresh flowers, plants, and gifts.